My name is Carol Mabye from Mokopane. This is my hometown. I'm from Township Entrepreneurial Alliance. It's very important to support the township businesses because we are growing small businesses. We are trying by all means to bring business home. We are trying by all means for people at home to be exposed and have knowledge about the small businesses. That's why we are going to the people who don't have knowledge or understanding about the technology. We're bringing technology and businesses and information to their hometowns. My experience was very nice. It was very comfortable for me to be here. It felt at home, and I really appreciate it for Bulelani to give me the opportunity to speak in my hometown because it means a lot for me as a business person. It works, it communicates with me, and it was easy for me to speak with the business people because I know what I experience and I know what they're going through as small businesses, especially from the hometown. Yes, we are looking forward to be, because we are trying by all means to go to all the townships, but we are looking forward and planning and thinking actually that we can go outside the country because we feel like what we are doing in South Africa, it's very important for us to share it with the other world. As much as I'm talking about taking things to the townships, if we go to other countries and take what we have in South Africa to them, it will motivate them because I don't think it's everybody who have a knowledge and understanding about taking small business to the township. But Bulelani, because as a co-founder, understand and have a vision and have a knowledge of how to share the information and the knowledge to people from the township. It works better for everybody. So I'm looking forward to that. My name is Carol Mabye from T, and we love Township Entrepreneurs.